Hey there. Thanks for watching my epic review by Mosh Bari, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you this demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This epic review is based on my honest opinion of actually purchasing this product and logging into the dashboard myself. I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help you out as soon as I can. Now let's see what Epic promises us. This is a unique, new, beginner-friendly system that lets tech-shy marketers create their first profitable video course by lunchtime tomorrow using other people's time, traffic, and expertise. Even if you're not an expert or haven't even made a sale online. Epic will be an all-in-one game-changing automated video course builder. You don't have to worry about being on camera. You can build top-selling courses in less than a day. Done for you course content, just copy and paste, and zero tech skills. If we scroll down just a little bit further to look at some of these testimonials, his testimonials are all done by fellow product creators. This product, if we look on Munchai at Mosh Bari, this product was actually released in March, but they are re-releasing it here in December. And since March, he hasn't even had any real testimonials from real people to plug in here for his relaunch. If we look at Sean Josiah, also on Munchai, you can see that he sells these products over and over again. He doesn't actually use them. He makes his money selling them, not using them. And he's going to be busy at least through the first half of the year, putting out a product once a month to sell, and that's how he's going to make his money. If we look at Jason Fulton, that's going to be the same thing. He puts these products out once a month, sometimes twice a month, and sells these over and over again. And if we look at Mosh Bari, this is December where Epic has been launched, and he is planned out for at least another year and a half, sometimes twice a month, just launching product after product for you and I to purchase and buy from him. Once you purchase Epic, you're immediately emailed the training modules. In this video, Mosh tells you that your software link will actually come in a later email, and there's a little bit of an overview. After that is 9 minutes of detailed training on the actual Epic software, and this is the only training that you get on that software is 9 minutes worth. If you access the course from here, that just takes you into another training. On this page, you have about 2 hours worth of training, and I'm going to tell you that this is ethically questionable training. They already tell you that they suggest using other people's time, traffic, and expertise, and in the training, it is suggested just to copy and paste that. Stick with me, and I'll explain to you why that's not a great idea. Next, under the Done For Use training, you are given these 3 buttons where you can do the course research, course content, and course templates. This is the done for you that's promised. If we take a look at the course research, I'm going to blur this out. This is just the top selling Udemy training courses that he wants you to come in and copy and paste. He gives you the modules on the right, and then he also gives you sub-modules. So he wants you to copy and paste this and make that your training plan. The next one is your course content. If we look at that, it's 3 PLR packs. I did go ahead and download these so I could take a look at them. If we look at this one, this PLR pack is from 2014. So this is old information that if you copy and paste and use, will be duplicate content. The third is your course templates. This is just file after file of templates that he gave you. If we take a look at these, and we'll just choose turquoise. This is just a slideshow where you can go in and make adjustments and put your copy and pasted information in here. But you cannot import this into the software. You have to download it to your computer and then re-upload it. And if we take a look at another one, say the orange one, it is exactly the same, just with different colors. So even though these are done for you templates, you will have to bring all of your own information and edit and adjust these. And in this training, he does finally tell you it's going to take at least 1 to 3 days to get this done. So you're not going to get this done by lunchtime tomorrow because he tells you himself it's going to take 1 to 3 days. Once I finally received the email and was able to access my Epic software, this is a super basic video maker. None of the templates that were provided for you are actually within this platform anywhere. So when you come into the dashboard to create a new video, you will name it. You can choose whether you want it horizontal or square and then create. Your whole template is going to be blank. You have to create this from scratch and from the beginning. If we go back and take a look at one I've already started, if you want to put in images or videos, you always have the option to upload. And for the royalty-free media, they give you a Pixabay search function. It's the same for images. It's just a Pixabay search function. If we take a look at Pixabay, it's already free. You can search videos, images, photos. If you find one you like, just click the free download button, choose your size, and you can download it directly to your computer, which is why they're including it for free within Epic, because you can already do this for free. On the second slide, I did pull in this video. This one doesn't actually have any sound, but if your video has sound, there is no way to mute that or bring it down to a percentage so it's not louder than your voiceover. Your voiceover will be done in the audio section. You can record within this platform with the microphone, or if you have text that you want made into your voiceover, you can add that here and simply copy and paste. There is no way to hear any of these voices to preview them, so you just have to guess and hope for the best. I did add one previously. Now you can turn down the volume of the voice, but you cannot turn down the volume of the video. We'll hit play and see what this sounds like.
Affiliate marketing is a simple concept that can be complicated. In this training course, I will teach you the many skills you will need to be successful. The first affiliate marketing is a simple concept that can be complicated. In this training course.
So the voice sounds very robotic. You would have to delete this and add a new one to fix that or to make any adjustments. If you wanted to add text, you can simply input your text here. You can make basic adjustments as far as the color, bold, underlined. You can bring it forward or backward on the page, and you would simply click the add text button. From there, you can drag it and move it around. They also have a text generator. I typed in digital marketing since that's what's showing on the screen. If you hit text generator, all right, so for some reason it makes you re-input it and then hit save. It does generate some kind of text up here on the right-hand side. It didn't make any sense to me, but if this is something you wanted to use, I would highly suggest copying this here so that you could put it into your audio file. The last function is to add background music. You can see this music file is at 0000, so there is no music in here. The only thing you can do is upload it. Make sure that is royalty-free or common use. You can preview just this slide. You always want to save. And if we go back to the first slide, you can only preview this one singularly as well. There is nowhere in this platform to preview your whole video all at once. You can only preview this slide and then go over and preview this slide. You do have to save to toggle between scenes. And once you hit the render button, it does take quite a while to render. This particular video has been rendering for over 5 hours. If I go up here and refresh this screen, it's still rendering. So at this point, I cannot download this video. I have an error, even though it is made and has been rendering for 5 hours. Mosh Bari says to please be patient. This is run on his cloud software, which is a horrible idea. You can preview from here. I wouldn't be able to upload until it's done rendering. I also can't share it or download it. So even though I've bought this product and this has been rendering for 5 hours, I cannot access it, share it, use it, or even sell it. So what's the strategy with Epic? You are provided with a super basic, super glitchy, hard to function in video making software with some very ethically questionable training, especially when he talks about borrowed expertise or just copy and pasting somebody else's course that you're supposed to be able to create, publish, which I can't do because this is still rendering, launch and sell this video course that you copy and pasted from somebody else as your very own, and go sell that on Udemy, Warrior Plus, or JVZoo. So what are my problems with Epic? If you are using other people's video courses, whether you're actually just outright copy and pasting them or stealing their outlines, you can call that borrowed expertise. You can call that content hijacking. You can call it copy and pasting. but that is stealing another creator's product. They spent time, money, and energy to create their content, and you are flat out stealing it from them. I do have a tip. If you do find product courses that you like or that you want to try and replicate, find 2 or 3 and mush them all together and make significant changes before you try to make it as a video course and sell it. This platform is extremely slow. Again, this has been rendering for 5 hours, so it will take you a very long time to make videos with this platform. The suggestion on picking topics is just the most popular sold courses. I highly recommend, if you're going to take the time and the energy to put together a course, which means you will have to train yourself and learn this information yourself, make sure it is something that you need to further your business, because you will be spending time and money training yourself to make this course. As far as alternatives to this software, if you guys do want to just try to put together a presentation, maybe once or twice, I highly recommend coming in and using Canva. This is a free app at canva.com. If you guys are interested, feel free to use our link in the resources section of the description below. They have all different kinds of presentations, sizes, and if we look, they will tell you if it's paid. Some of them are free. Some of them have a crown, which means you need a pro account, but they tell you all of that right here. And if you find one that costs money, you can always take a look at it and then go in as a blank and try to make your own. If you're looking to do more videos, we highly suggest Pictory. I did just finish a video series called Vidnami Alternatives for 2022, which I will link above. Vidnami was a beloved AI video maker. It has since gone out of business, and we have found that Pictory.ai is the #1 alternative. So feel free to check out that playlist linked above if you need more information on a really good AI video maker. Let's take a look at the pricing for Epic. On the front end, it is $14. Upsell number 1 is going to be unlimited at $47, which means there are limitations in this product that I don't know I have. Upsell number 2 has nothing to do with this product. It is actually another product by Mosh Bari called Academy's Espresso. That one's going to run you $37. Upsell number 3 is also another product of his, just called Resolved. That one's going to run you $67. And upsell number 4 is the reseller rights for Epic at $77. All total, this product is going to run you $242. And only 2 of these upsells even have anything to do with this product. There's nothing unique or new about taking other people's videos, copy and pasting them, and making them your own. You're not going to have this done by lunchtime tomorrow. He tells you himself in the training that this is going to take at least 1 to 3 days to get put into this very slow, glitchy software that he is giving you with it. Please don't waste your time, your energy, or your money on Epic. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to check our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Epic review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching!